in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Yo, what's up, my G? I'm Gideon Nyambenga. I'm a proud client of Wiseman Driving School. This is the best driving school in Windhoek, so I recommend you guys to hook up with Shiwa. He's the best and the nice instructor in town. You will get your license on time there at Nates. Salute you. For inquiry, contact Wiseman.
3.10, you are allowed to stop 3 times. You stop one side and the other side. As you can see, the lane stop. She will reverse back until it's not blocking the camera on the left side of the line. So you must be the other side of the line. The center is in the line. There she stopped. She will indicate on the right side. When the mirror is in line with the lighting line, she would lock the same on the right side. She got to the car is almost straight. Let's say 97% right. They straighten the wheel, then she stopped. That's what we call flipping pen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wiseman Investment CC. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our contact details are in the description below. Thank you very much.
In the crossfire.